Right now, without realizing it, your brain is being manipulated, not by a person, by invisible psychological forces that have been shaping every decision you make, what you buy, who you trust, what you believe, even what you eat for lunch. Scientists have spent decades documenting these patterns, and the scary part, knowing about them doesn't fully protect you. So let's pull back the curtain. Here are 7 psychological tricks that control your decisions, and how to start fighting back. Number 1, the anchoring effect. Here's a quick test. Would you say New York City's population is more or less than 3 million? Now, guess the exact number. Done? Now imagine someone else was asked, is it more or less than 20 million? Their guess will be dramatically higher than yours, even though both of you are just estimating. That's anchoring. The first number you hear becomes a mental reference point that pulls all future estimates toward it. Stores use this constantly. A jacket originally $400, now $180, feels like a steal because 400 is the anchor. The trick: always ask yourself, what number was I shown first and why? Number 2, social proof. Imagine you're walking down a street and you see 2 restaurants, one packed, one completely empty. Which do you choose? The packed one, almost certainly. Your brain reads, other people chose this, as a signal that it's the safer, better option. This is social proof, and it's hardwired into us from an era when following the crowd literally kept you alive. Today, businesses weaponize it. 10,000 5-star reviews, join 2 million members, bestseller. Every single one is engineered to trigger the same ancient instinct. It's not manipulation in a malicious sense, but now that you see it, you'll notice it everywhere. Number 3, the scarcity bias. Only 3 left in stock. Offer ends tonight. Scarcity triggers a primal fear of loss, and loss aversion is twice as powerful as the pleasure of gaining the same thing. Studies by Daniel Kahneman show we feel losses roughly 2 times more intensely than equivalent gains. So the fear of missing out on those last 3 items hits harder than the satisfaction of buying them. Brands create artificial scarcity all the time, and it works every single time. Number 4, the halo effect. If someone is attractive, well-dressed, or well-spoken, your brain automatically assumes they're also smarter, kinder, and more competent, even with 0 evidence. This is the halo effect. It's why companies hire good-looking spokespeople, and why your first impression of someone colors everything you learn about them afterward. Research by Nisbett and Wilson in 1977 showed students rated the exact same lecturer as more intelligent and likable when he simply acted warmly, even rating his accent as more pleasant. Nothing about his actual knowledge changed. Number 5, the IKEA Effect. People assign dramatically more value to things they helped create. In one study, participants valued self-assembled furniture nearly as much as expert-made pieces, just because they built it themselves. Marketers use this through customization options, build your own products, and personalization flows. You value it more because your effort went into it. The implication: be extra critical when evaluating something you've built or chosen yourself. Number 6, the mere exposure effect. The more you see something, the more you like it. Ads shown repeatedly don't just inform, they create familiarity. And familiarity feels like trust. This is why political campaigns repeat slogans relentlessly. It's why you eventually warm up to a song you initially hated. Repetition rewires preference. Simple as that. And familiarity is not the same thing as quality, even though your brain treats them identically. Number 7, the decoy effect. Imagine choosing between 2 cinema combos, a small popcorn for $3 and a large for $7. Most people go small. Now add a medium for $6.50. Suddenly the large looks like a great deal. For just 50 cents more, the medium exists only to make the large look better. It's called a decoy. And pricing menus, subscription tiers, and product bundles are all engineered around it. Next time you see 3 options, ask yourself which one exists just to make another look good. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Awareness helps, but it doesn't make you immune. These biases exist because they were useful for most of human history. Your brain isn't broken, it's efficient. But in a world designed by marketers, politicians, and algorithms, that efficiency can be exploited. The goal isn't to become a paranoid decision maker, it's to slow down on the choices that actually matter. A big purchase, a relationship, a career move, and ask, what invisible force might be shaping this? That pause, that's where real thinking happens. If this made you think differently about even one decision today, share it with someone who needs to hear it. And subscribe to Wired Behavior. Every week, we decode one more layer of what makes humans tick. I'll see you in the next one.